This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp.
So my next question is, why did you choose Ansible for config management and automation over other tools in your environment?
Of course. So first, to explain Ansible, the thing about Ansible is that configuration management in terms of Ansible means it maintains the configuration of the product performance, and it also keeps a record and keeps like very updated, detailed information. So, but still, this question is in a way subjective because people choose their companies choose their config tools based on what they need. So now we actually didn't exactly choose Ansible because it's the best one out there, but it's just that in terms of our use case, we found that Ansible is a good fit because we are working with multiple environments and we need to work on a lot of on-premise deployments and we need to work with cloud deployments. So in our cloud, we have some managed services and there are also some self-managed services. And in order to deploy our cloud services, we have, my company typically uses two main tools, Ansible and Terraform. But let's focus on Terraform. Let's focus on Ansible. So in order to manage and deploy the managed services and any of the management of the deployments, that part is covered by Terraform, but in order to prepare our virtual machines and the configurables, and we also have some of the self-managed clusters that we sometimes work with, like our Kubernetes where we use kops as well. In order to manage all of those, we prefer Ansible on AWS. And on the other hand, we also have our on-premise deployments, which are also completely managed by Ansible. And at the same time, we also have some Docker clusters, and we have other Docker deployments that are also running with Docker. And then we also have web servers here and there, and we have some databases running on some bare metal virtual machines. So with this like a diverse set of workings going on and managing all those, we needed a very effective configuration management software that works with what we are working with. So we had some other options as well, such as Puppet and Chef. They're popular ones too. And then there's also SaltStack. And then we also had options for Ansible, but we are more so a little focused on CI, and Ansible has much more integration. So we went but other than that, we went over all of those options, and Ansible seemed like a good fit because it uses YAML. It's a very easily readable language, and we are very familiar with it. So the first thing, so that's the first thing. And then another good thing is that Ansible is also has a low resource footprint, and installing Ansible is also very easy. And of course, using it is also very easy. So what we wanted was we wanted a lot of availability, and which we had with Ansible, and where we could like deploy everything. Since I listed, we're depending on what kind of applications we're working with. We're just working with so many different tools every now and then, and Ansible always offers all these modules which we can choose from and work with, and we can also write our own Ansible roles, and we have Ansible's community roles you can download, and we can download any of the pre-written modules that we can just start straight deploying with. And where we do not have to reinvent anything on our own.
Got it.
So,
okay.
right.
Thank you.